So, hey guys, for today we have
Jollibee.
So we have burger steak, spaghetti, chicken, palabok, mashed potatoes, gravy,
and
peach mango pie. So I was trying to use this the table that my brother gave me. That the this like you put in the
cup holder. It's like a tray, a small tray.
It's too short. You can't even see it. But anyway, I'm gonna tilt this to see. It's right there.
Yeah.
It's like a tiny table. Anyway, let's eat. Let me just adjust this.
Today is actually New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. Wait, they can't see your food.
Here. Well, here.
I think I need to move.
Tilt it a bit, yeah. Okay.
It's worse. Anyway,
let's eat.
Let me just...
Yeah, I'm kind of scared about this one. I already told her that we should stop doing carmukbangs, but she really wanted to use this table. I was like, fine, it's New Year's Eve. And then she has spaghetti, and like she has burger steak that has gravy on it.
And I have a full container of gravy here. They forgot to give us spoon and fork, so good thing we had fork here.
Yeah.
From another takeout
place, yeah. But anyway, we're here.
Spaghetti, look at this. If you guys haven't tried Jollibee spaghetti,
or Filipino spaghetti in general,
delicious.
I actually prefer the palabok, which is... What type of noodles is this? I don't know. It looks like glass noodles to me. But yeah.
Those are rice noodles.
Are they? But they're not like the rice noodle rolls. Anyway.
With shrimp sauce and shrimp.
It's like shrimp gravy. And it has pork and... Is that garlic? And then eggs.
They didn't give us napkins either. Amazing.
So if our faces are messy...
Gravy.
I'll show them.
I need a drink. I'm so scared of that gravy.
That's my gravy too.
Look at this chicken. Spicy. I don't want to use my hands. I don't want to get my hands dirty, but...
Literally, once you eat spicy chicken, there's no going back to the regular one.
I think with Jollibee, so freaking expensive.
Yeah, like all of this
all
actually
is like 50 bucks.
$53 with a tax. The burger steak is so freaking expensive. This one is like
so good.
It's $16.
This is the burger steak. It's literally a burger with gravy and mushroom.
Yeah, like the patty. I don't know if I should use my hands. But they didn't give us napkins though, so...
That's why I didn't use my hands.
But then how many... You got a chicken leg though. I got like a thigh. Whatever. I'm gonna use my hands.
We have napkins in the back.
Do we?
No. We do not. Do we have that tissue?
One thing about me is I don't usually eat the skin of the chicken. I always give it to her. Except for Jollibee.
Spaghetti is so good.
Because it's spicy.
We need a napkin. Wait. I can't live like this.
Yo, look at her face, eh? Like, she has, like...
The lady straight up did not give us napkins.
She didn't give us anything. She almost forgot to give us, like, the other bag.
Her manager was kind of scolding her.
Yeah, because you got a lot of...
I think she was new.
You got a lot of, like, agitated customers if you keep on forgetting shit. Like, obviously, like, if you had already driven far and then you realize shit, like, they forgot to give us part of the order, then you'd be pissed too. Really true, like, they shouldn't have made her work like a New Year's Eve because people are high strung and there's so many orders. Yo, look at your face.
I need a napkin. 1 second. I need a napkin. Alright, back to eating. Take your burger steak.
No.
I'm gonna put this here because looks like it's gonna freaking drop. Your jacket.
She doesn't like the mushrooms.
I'll tolerate it, but not my thing.
Yo, you keep on moving the rice. I'm trying to get some rice, and this girl is just like moving everything along.
I don't understand why they didn't put the rice. I mean the burger steak. They usually it's in a container like this.
Yeah. It's just not
I think Jollibee is losing it today.
To be fair, it is New Year's Eve. If they're screwing up, there's a volume. Are you choking?
Almost.
Should we go to the brick?
Are you gonna buy a bed today?
I don't know, like
Strap
what?
it on top of the car?
Yeah. Yo, those like, I don't know if you guys watch TikToks, but, or Instagram videos. There's this guy, I think his name is King Kenny Slay. He's like Filipino, and he was like, he has a video that shows like all the shit that are on the roads in the Philippines.
Remember we were driving one time, this guy in front of us, their mattress dropped
Oh yeah.
in the street.
And this was here. Like
And then the guy parked at the side of the road, started running back in the middle
to
of the
grab
street.
the mattress, and he was alone. Like, the driver of the car didn't even park at like a proper parking lot. Like, he just like pulled up to the side of the road, and he asked like the passenger to run and grab the whole freaking mattress, and it looked like it was a queen.
We want to get a new mattress and a new bed frame this year. We want to get those I want to get those gray like tufted bed frames with a big headboard and the like drawers under, like storage. And without space like under the thing, because our bed frame now
Has space.
Nugget. What's the way you doing?
I don't know. Like, she's
Yo, wow.
Is she legit like trying to break off a branch of that like tiny tree?
Be quiet, she might hear you. Our windows are open.
No, but legit, like what? I don't know. Some people. Yo, they've moved on, eh? Like, you know how like
We've seen
people, older people,
they pick up
something on the grass.
like weeds, I don't know, and they
put it in a
the
bag.
and take it home.
Like, I don't know what it is, but
It's either they eat it, I don't know, or plant it again.
use it as tea. Or maybe they dry it up.
I don't know. I'm assuming they eat it.
I remember they were doing it. It was the height of the pandemic, and we were like, "What the hell?"
The dogs are peeing there. The squirrels are peeing.
Skunks, raccoons, basically all the wildlife.
In the summer too, they do it. Every time I walk Nugget, I see people
Like picking stuff up from the ground.
like the weeds in the grass. I don't know if the weeds are like, I don't know.
Like, I'd understand if it was like a field, like in a farm, like those types of things. But you're in the middle of a city, and like our apartment building is actually a pet-friendly building, so there's a lot of dogs and
Everywhere.
our neighborhood, like there's so much like raccoons and like skunks and
Like wildlife.
yeah, I've seen coyotes,
Rabbits, everything.
coyotes too. So I don't think we should be eating anything off the ground, really. But
Maybe-
it is what it is.
Sometimes I walk Nugget and I look closely on the grass. There are some like green stuff. I think that's what they're picking. It's like leaves. It looks like
Maybe it's
big
for tea.
leaves. I don't know.
It's a plant that they...
But still. Maybe they replant it or I don't know.
If they replant it, that's fine. If they eat it, that's... I don't know. That's something else.
You should try it one time.
Why don't you try it? Or maybe it's a medicinal herb or something.
Maybe. That grows in the...
Maybe you should ask them next time.
And Nugget gets so mad when she sees people because when you're picking something, you're crouching down, right? You're bending down to get it, and then Nugget gets so agitated because that dog is weird. He thinks people are gonna attack them. That's why when they're picking up, they're crouching down. So when I see people picking up those leaves, I pull Nugget away, other direction. Finished?
Almost.
The burger steak is good.
But it's hella expensive though. It's like, what the hell? For $16?
How much is it?
16.
Damn.
Like, why is it $16? I don't know. Why do we keep on buying it? Because it's freaking good. I feel like we're being so ripped off, but then whatever, it is what it is.
Is Jollibee in the Philippines cheaper? No.
No. I don't even know how people can still afford like stuff. Because like, remember the last time we went home and we were buying stuff from McDonald's, and it was like almost 300 pesos for one order, for one meal, for one person.
Our bill was like, I remember,
$1,000 pesos.
1,200 or whatever. For McDonald's, that's pesos, not
That's
dollars.
like $40.
Yeah.
And then here we're like cheapskating over like a $12 meal. We're just like, oh yeah, like the meal deal before like used to be $8.99 before with a coupon for 2 people. Yeah.
When we went to the Philippines for vacation, me and my sister ate McDonald's delivery every night.
Yeah, they liked it so.
It was so delicious. Because the McDonald's there is different, not like here.
Every single night, like I would be like, oh, why aren't we sleeping yet? And they're like, oh, we're waiting for delivery. I'm like,
He would, was it Uber Eats or their own delivery?
no, their own.
It was so good. There was like crispy, spicy chicken, spaghetti, They have different
Rice.
kinds of burgers, rice. You would eat it every night for a midnight snack.
Spaghetti is actually good.
There's spaghetti. I think McDonald's Philippine spaghetti is better than Jollibee's. Legitly.
And their chicken too.
What the last?
No, you can have it.
Delicious. Done. We have peach mango pie. I'm so full.
You eat so much.
We got Krispy Kreme to bring.
I got
Well, I was sleeping. Me and Nugget was sleeping.
I woke up early, and I was like,
To bring tonight to family
I
dinner.
was like, we don't have anything yet to bring for the family dinner for New Year's Eve. So I was like, I'm gonna get Krispy Kreme. And it wasn't like, well, it was raining, but the rain wasn't too bad.
Is there a burnt?
So I drove 25
Damn, that was
minutes to Krispy Kreme.
Peach mango pie.
And
We
then,
got me and Nugget each a piece.
yeah, because if I don't, they'll ask to open the dozen that we're bringing for the party. And like, I would have to explain why there's only 10 donuts in there.
I think we should get pizza too. Nugget got an original glazed. And I got a chocolate.
And then I brought my friend some. I was like a freaking Uber driver today. Dropping off stuff.
We should let me and Nugget our own dozen. We could have finished that.
You're gonna eat tonight anyway. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna eat a lot of the donuts that I brought. Yo, this one's so good. You guys need to try the peach mango pie.
Nugget loves these things.
She doesn't care for the chicken much. This is the thing she likes the best.
Look at my shirt.
Look at your face though.
It ain't working out for me today. Oh my god.
What the hell?
I feel like I need to shower later again.
Yo, your face really. Look at that.
The mango's a bit sour today. Wait, I have here.
I really cannot bring her anywhere. I can't.
Why?
Look at you. It's like I have a child.
It's not my fault they did not give us napkins. It was the lady's first day, okay? Give her a break.
It's bothering me so much. You might want to wipe your face before you do the outro.
Anyway, I was like, that's it for today, guys. See you again next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.
Happy New Year.